Do a walk around on this for you. 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. It has the diamond metallic pearl paint, which is just stunning. This is a California SUV since new, one owner. In amazing condition. Replaced with a brand new one. And this one's for sale. All new tires, clean Carfax, clean auto check, service at Mercedes-Benz of San Diego, and heavily optioned car. We have the window sticker up in the ad too for you to see. The running boards with the dual exhaust on each side. The upgraded wheels. All 2024 tires. This is a new body style with the upgraded headlights and front end. With the whole new interior. Digital display. Alcantara headliner. The upgraded leather interior. Massaging seats, air conditioning, heated seats. Seat memories, the upgraded sound system, red deviated stitching, quilted cross stitch pattern, the rubber mats, carbon fiber steering wheel with the Alcantara grips, carbon fiber trim. This G63 is just stunning. And since it's a California one owner since new, it's in amazing condition. These also eliminate the door sills. That metallic paint is just beautiful. Steps right here. Comes with everything too. The leather owner's manual holder, all the books, the wheel locks, keys, the CD, the tool roll, clean Experian auto check, clean Carfax, 2 original keys, the AMG keys. And then the original window sticker. And the option list is long. Got the AMG front and rear red brake calipers, the heated steering wheel, AMG performance steering wheel in carbon fiber, 22-inch forged AMG crosspoke wheels in black, leather grip handles, wheel locking bolts, the AMG night package, exterior mirrors, spare wheel cover ring, trim elements, in bumper painted in obsidian black, black brush guard, AMG specific radiator grille in gunmetal gray, tinted front indicator lights, tinted headlights and tail lights. That alone was $8,000 option. Actually, $1,000 $950 option. And then you also have the interior plus package plus, and then that one is the AMG exclusive Napa leather with diamond quilted stitching, Napa leather dashboard, AMG badging, headrests and floor mats, active multi-contour front seats with massage, rapid heating and ventilated front seats, badge on passenger grab handle. And then the performance on these are just unreal. Has the cover for the back. Very, very nice. Pop the hood.